Control number 43473, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is JD Sabado. I am 38 years old. I am married and I have two daughters aged 18 and 16 years old. I have one brother and one sister and I am the second child.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate from Binas Annex, Baggao, Cagayan.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
Because I want to support the needs of my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, first I worked in United Arab Emirates as a domestic helper for 2 years and next in Saudi Arabia for 7 years in one employer as a domestic helper. And my last job is in Oman as a nanny and a housemaid for 2 years.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
Yes, I have experience taking care of an old person age 75 years old and I give him food and medicine.
Do you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies and children?
Yes, I have experience taking care of newly born babies and children. I change clothes and diaper, I play with them and I bath them.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking, tutoring and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese food like steamed fish and vegetable, Filipino food like adobo and menudo, Arabic food like biryani and makbus.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am honest, responsible, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I will say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Madam and Sir, if ever you will choose me as your domestic helper, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities and I promise to finish my contract and more. Thank you so much.